I have a Precor EFX 5.23, and just today I was using it and I started to hear a grinding noise. When I took the cover off, I noticed that the disc has a scratch. I looked further down and noticed that according to the manual, this down here is the eddy magnet. This is the eddy disc. But I noticed that this has some play in it. They're not touching right now, but if I move this down, and then they're completely touching. If I push it just a little bit, it moves. So it was like this, no noise, and I was using it, and eventually it slides over and it begins to grind. And I'm thinking it's going to be these bearings, because those are the ones that actually have movement in them, and it's both of them on both sides. Everything else is tight, so I know what the problem is, just not too sure how to fix it. So I'm going to start by replacing these. I looked them up online. They're about 20 bucks each, and hopefully that'll solve my problem before I damage this disc any further.